Good morning, students. So in previous class we are discussing about method of substitution. Then there are three particular cases. Based on those particular cases and method of substitution to solve so many problems. Okay. Now today I am going to deal with most important results. You must remember those important results. They may be asked in final exam. There are 6 important results. Out of 6, they will ask anyone. Each result carries 5 marks. Nodri, most important results. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸೇರಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ನಾವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಸೇಸ್ evaluate integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square with respect to x, or prove that integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square with respect to x, its integral value, remember ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a plus c. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನೆನಪಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ 6 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 6 they may be given anyone in final exam. 101% guarantee question. Okay, in your question paper part D, question number 43 or 44. Okay, that question belongs to important results. Practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಈಜಿ ಇದೆ. Now here first result says integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square with respect to x is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Here coefficient of x square always 1. 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. x square coefficient 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ its integral value is this. more than 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. more than 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? make it as standard result. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಸಪೋಸ್ 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಕ್ 4 ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 1. 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. 1 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತನ್ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is always 1. a square it is constant number. Okay, its integral value is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇರೋದು? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. How to prove? Look here. Now here by substituting, take x is equal to. Now there are 6 important trigonometric ratios, namely sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. sin theta ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, suppose if you take x is equal to a sin theta, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ take a sin theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a square sin square theta, because by taking x equal to a sin theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x square value a square sin square theta plus a square. take a square common, a square common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin square theta plus 1. is there any formula for sin square theta plus 1? no, formula ಇಲ್ಲ. so that limits x equal to a sin theta. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ a cos theta ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೋ? ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ cos square theta plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. cos square theta plus 1 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 1 minus cos square theta ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, but cos square theta plus 1 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. leave it. next x equal to ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? sin ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, cos ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? a tan theta. a tan theta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. take x equal to a tan theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a square tan square theta. x equal to a tan theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a square tan square theta plus a square. a square ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? tan square theta plus 1. is there any formula for tan square theta plus 1? yes, because tan square theta plus 1 is equal to trigonometric identity ಏನಿದೆ? sec square theta. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. so that by taking x is equal to a tan theta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಸೆಕ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಆರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು a tan theta implies divide by a tan theta is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x divided by a. Divide both sides by a. X by a is equal to tan theta. Or theta is equal to, by definition of inverse function, inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse of x by a. I can note the tan inverse of x by a. Okay. Now by taking x is equal to a tan theta, then differentiate both sides with respect to either x or with respect to theta. Now derivative of x with respect to theta, different variable dx by d theta, correct? A constant. Derivative of tan theta with respect to theta, you know the formula. What is that? Secant square theta. Cross multiply dx is equal to a secant square theta into d theta. Therefore, given expression, given data, integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square with respect to x is equal to, the value of dx is a into secant square theta d theta divided by x square, x value a tan theta, x square is a square tan square theta plus a square. Okay, that is integral of a into secant square theta d theta divided by, in the denominator take a square common, tan square theta plus 1. Okay, 1a cancel, a constant take outside, 1 by a into integral of secant square theta divided by, you know that by using trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to formula ಏನಿದೆ, secant square theta d theta. Those two terms get cancelled. That is equal to 1 upon a into integral of, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cancel ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, 1 with respect to theta. Integral of 1 with respect to theta, that is theta. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, theta, because derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. So that is 1 upon a, theta value tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. Remember, hence integral of 1 by x square plus a square or a square plus x square, both are same. A square plus x square is the x square plus a square is one. Okay, so its integral value is, remember, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. That is most important result. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. Now for example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by x square plus 9. 1 mark question. How to solve? That is equal to 1 divided by x square plus 9 can be written as 3 square. Now clearly it is in the form dx by x square plus a square. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ, 1 upon a, a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ 3, tan inverse of x by a value 3 plus constant of integration c. Okay, another example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by x square plus 2. Verify whether given example is it in standard form. No, make it as standard form. How to write? That is 1 divided by x square plus 2 can be written as, we write root 2 square. Root 2 square is nothing but 2 itself. Now it is in the form dx by x square plus a square. Now its integral value 1 by a value root 2, tan inverse of x by a value root 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay, similarly another example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by 4x square plus 9. Identify, verify whether given example is it belongs to standard result number 1. No, because coefficient of x square always 1, but here coefficient of x square is 4. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, 4x square ಅನ್ನ 2x whole square ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. Of course 2x whole square is 4x square, but x coefficient ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು, 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು, but here more than 1. How to solve? Now take 4 common, that is integral of 1 divided by, take 4 common. 4 common ತೆಗೆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x square plus 9 divided by 4. Now 4 constant take outside into integral of 1 by x square plus 9 by 4 is same as 3 by 2 to the power of 2, right? That is 1 by 4. Now it is in the form dx by x square plus a square. Our format convert aita. What is its integral value? 1 upon a. What is a value? 3 by 2 tan inverse of x divided by a value 3 by 2 plus constant of integration c. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2 3s are 6. Tan inverse of, if you take multiplication, that 2 goes to numerator, 2x divided by 3 plus constant of integration c. E type solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First result says integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square or a square plus x square, both are same. Its integral value 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. ಅವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ x square coefficient ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. More than 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ take that number common, then to convert given data in standard form, apply that formula. This is result number 1. Clear? Okay. Result number 2. Second result ಏನು? Prove that integral of 1 divided by x square, that is 1 by x square minus a square. Previous result plus ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗಿಲೆ minus ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ again coefficient of x square always 1 ಇರಬೇಕು coefficient of x square. If it is x square minus a square, its integral value, remember, that is 1 by 2a into log of modulus of x minus a divided by x plus a plus constant of integration c. Okay, now here how to solve? Look here. Now first to simplify 1 by x square minus a square. ಮೊದಲು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. That is equal to 1 by x square minus a square is same as we write x minus a into x plus a. ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Because a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. X minus a into x plus a is equal to x square minus a square. Okay. Now again further, that 1 by x minus a into x plus a can be written as, we can write 1 divided by x minus a plus 1 divided by x plus a. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೋ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ LCM. LCM is x minus a x plus a, correct? Here LCM of those two is x minus a into x plus a, right? Here multiply by x plus a, here multiply by x minus a. ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದೆ? x plus x 2x, a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 2x ಉಳಿತು, ನಮಗೆ 1 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬದಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ x minus a, LCM is x minus a x plus a, x plus a minus x minus a. Simplify x plus a minus x minus into minus plus a divided by x minus a into x plus a. x x cancel, ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? a plus a 2a ಉಳಿತು. 2a ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. we can write 1 by 2a. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಯಾವುದು? 2a ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಯಿತು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 1 by 2a. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 upon x minus a into x plus a can be written as 1 by 2a into bracket 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a. ಮೂರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. Therefore given expression integral of 1 divided by x square minus a square with respect to x is equal to, its value is 1 by 2a into bracket 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a with respect to x. 1 by 2a constant, split up the integral, rule on integration, 1 by x minus a with respect to x minus integral of 1 by x plus a with respect to x. That is 1 by 2a. Apply particular case 2. What is that particular case 2? The numerator is the derivative of denominator. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. What is derivative of x with respect to x? 1 minus derivative of a constant 0. 1 minus 0 1. ಅದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log of mod denominator. Similarly again same case, particular case 2, clearly the numerator is the derivative of denominator. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ its integral value log of mod denominator plus constant of integration c, that is 1 by 2a. Put x minus a is equal to m and x plus a is equal to m. It is in the form log m minus log n. Log m minus log n, laws of logarithm ಏನಿದೆ, log m minus log n is equal to log m by n, that is mod x minus a by x plus a plus constant of integration c. Therefore remember, hence integral of 1 by x square minus a square with respect to x is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus constant of integration c. Okay, now for example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by x square minus 16. Now that is equal to 1 by x square minus 16 can be written as 4 square. Now it is in the form 1 by x square minus a square. Now result number 2, its integral value 1 by 2a. A value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 into log of mod x minus a value 4 divided by x plus a value 4 plus constant of integration c. Similarly another example, integral of 1 divided by 4x square minus 25. Identify whether given example belongs to standard result number 2. No, because in standard result number 2 says coefficient of x square always 1, but here coefficient of x square is more than 1. What can you do? Take 4 common, that is x square minus 25 divided by 4 with respect to x. Now 4 constant take outside into integral of 1 divided by x square minus 25 by 4 is same as we write 5 by 2 to the power of 2, because 5 square 25, 2 square 4, right? Now that is equal to 1 by 4. Clearly it is in the form 1 by x square minus a square. Apply result number 2, 1 by 2a. A value is 5 by 2 into log of mod x minus a value 5 by 2 divided by x plus a value 5 by 2 plus c. 2 cancel, 1 by 4 into 5 20 into log of mod. Take the LCM. LCM is here 2. 1 2s are 2. 2x minus 5 divided by 2 whole divided by LCM is 2. 2x plus 5 divided by 2. That 2 get cancelled. The final answer is 1 by 20 log of mod 2x minus 5 by 2x plus 5 plus constant of integration c. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 1 by a tan inverse of x by a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ 1 by 2a log of mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, next result number 3. Prove that integral of 1 by a square minus x square. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು, x square minus a square ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ a square minus x square ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ its integral value is same concept 1 by 2a into log of mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Whereas in previous result 1 by 2a log of mod x minus a by x plus a. Here if it is a square minus x square, its integral value 1 by 2a log of mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Again coefficient of x square always 1. Okay, same method. Now first you reduce the given function. Consider 1 by a square minus x square is equal to, you know that a square minus x square is same as a plus x into a minus x. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Because x minus a into x plus a is equal to x square minus a square. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now again 1 by a plus x into a minus x can be written as, we write 1 by a plus x plus 1 by a minus x. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Take the LCM. LCM is a plus x into a minus x. ಹೌದಾ? Here multiply by a minus x plus here multiply by a plus x plus x minus x cancel. A plus a 2a extra ಉಳಿತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು 1 by 2a ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So 2a extra ಬಂತು, multiply by 1 by 2a. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Then integrate. ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ. Therefore integral of 1 divided by a square minus x square with respect to x is equal to, its value is 1 by 2a into bracket 1 by a plus x plus 1 by a minus x with respect to x. That is 1 by 2a constant. Split up the integral. Integral of 1 by a plus x with respect to x plus integral of 1 by a minus x with respect to x. Right? That is 1 by 2a into integral of 1 by a plus x with respect to x plus can be written as, we write minus of minus 1 by a minus x with respect to x. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? Because by using particular case 2, now apply particular case 2. Particular case 2 ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? The numerator is the derivative of denominator. Denominator part ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ its integral value always equal to log of the denominator. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. derivative of a constant 0 ಹೌದಾ? derivative of x with respect to x1 a plus 1 sorry 0 plus 1 1 in the numerator ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. derivative of a constant 0 derivative of minus x minus 1 but ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 1 ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನ we write minus of minus 1. Okay, now apply particular case to, clearly the numerator is the derivative of denominator, its integral always equal to log of the denominator minus here also log of denominator a minus x plus constant of integration c, that is 1 by 2a. Apply laws of logarithm. This is called as m, that is n. Log m minus log n is equal to log of m by n, a plus x divided by a minus x plus constant of integration c. Okay, now for example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by 16 minus x square. See, it is a type problem. So that is 1 by 16 can be written as, we write 4 square minus x square. It is in the form dx by a square minus x square. Now apply result number 3. Its integral value 1 by 2a, a value 4, log of mod a plus x, 4 plus x divided by a minus x, that is 4 minus x plus constant of integration c. Similarly, evaluate integral of 1 divided by that is 25 minus 9x square. Identify whether given data is it in result number 3. No, because coefficient of x square always 1, but here more than 1, that is 9 is there. So what can you do? Take 9 common, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 25 by 9 minus x square, right? That is 1 by 9 constant into integral of 1 divided by 25 by 9 is same as, we write 5 by 3 to the power of 2, because 5 square 25, 3 square 9, right? Minus x square, that is 1 by 9. Clearly it is in the form dx by a square minus x square. Apply result number 3. 1 by 2a, a value 5 by 3 into log of mod a plus x, a value 5 by 3 plus x divided by a minus x, 5 by 3 minus x plus constant of integration c. Now here 3 ones are, 3 3s are, that is 1 by 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30 into log of mod. LCM is 3, 5 plus 3x divided by 3 whole divided by, again LCM is 3, 5 minus 3x divided by 3, that 3 get cancelled. Final answer 1 by 30 log of mod 5 plus 3x divided by 5 minus 3x plus constant of integration c. Practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. Okay. Result number 4. Prove that integral of dx by under root of a square minus x square with respect to x is equal to its integral value, remember, sin inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ a square minus x square ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ sin inverse of x by a plus c. Now how to solve? Now by using substitution method, take x is equal to ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು a sin theta. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? See that answer is sin inverse. That's why by taking x is equal to a sin theta divide by a, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ a ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin theta is equal to x by a or angle theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a, right? Then differentiate both sides with respect to theta. Derivative of x with respect to different variable theta, dx by d theta. A constant. Derivative of sin theta with respect to theta, what is that? Cos theta. Cross multiply, dx is equal to a cos theta into d theta. Therefore given expression integral of 1 divided by under root of a square minus x square with respect to x is equal to dx value a cos theta d theta divided by under root of a square minus x square, x value a sin theta x square, square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತದು a square sin square theta, right? That is a into cos theta divided by under root of, take a square common, a square common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ 1 minus sin square theta with respect to theta. Now that is equal to integral of a cos theta divided by root of a square 1 minus sin square theta using trigonometric identity. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta, right? That is equal to a cos theta divided by square root of a square cos square theta, that is a cos theta with respect to theta, both the term get cancelled, that is integral of 1 with respect to theta. What is integral of 1 with respect to theta? Theta plus c, but the value of theta is sin inverse of x by a plus c. Theta value sin inverse of x by a plus c. Hence remember integral of 1 divided by under root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. Remember. Okay. Now here based on this, for example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by under root of 9 minus x square. Again coefficient of x square always 1. That is equal to 1 divided by root 9 can be written as 3 square minus x square. ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? Now it is in the form dx by root a square minus x square. Its integral value sin inverse of x by a. A value is here 3 plus constant of integration c. Another example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by root of 4 minus 9x square. Identify whether given example belongs to result number 4. No, because in result number 4 coefficient of x square always 1, but here more than 1. So reduce the given function, take more than one value common. What is that? 9 common, that is 4 by 9 minus x square. that is 1 by square root of 9 is 3 into integral of dx by root of 4 upon 9 is same as we write 2 by 3 to the power of 2 minus x square because 2 square 4, 3 square 9, correct? So 1 by 3. Now clearly it is in the form result number 4 dx by root a square minus x square. Its integral value is sin inverse of x by a value 2 by 3 plus constant of integration c, that is 1 by 3 sin inverse of that 3 goes to numerator 3x by 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay, ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, result number 5. Prove that integral of 1 divided by root of x square plus a square or a square plus x square with respect to x is equal to, remember its integral value is log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus constant of integration c. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಮತ್ತು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 1 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ its integral value log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, by substituting take x is equal to a tan theta implies tan theta is equal to divide by a x by a, or angle theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a, right? Then differentiate both sides with respect to theta. Derivative of x with respect to theta dx by d theta, different variable. A constant, derivative of tan theta secant square theta, cross multiply dx is equal to a secant square theta into d theta. Therefore given expression integral of 1 by under root of x square plus a square with respect to x is equal to dx value a secant square theta d theta divided by root of x square value, x value a tan theta ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, x square is a square tan square theta plus a square, that is integral of a into secant square theta by under root of, from these two common, a square common, that is tan square theta plus 1 with respect to theta. Okay, now that is equal to integral of a into secant square theta divided by under root of a square 1 plus tan square theta using trigonometric identity formula. What is that? Sec square theta. Is it fine? That is equal to a into secant square theta divided by square root of a square secant square theta, that is a sec theta, because square root of a square is a, square root of sec square theta is sec theta. 1 a cancel, 1 sec theta cancel, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು, sec theta ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲೇ, ಹೌದಾ? Now integral of sec theta, ಇವನು ಅದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ sec theta ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಿದೆ, log of mod sec theta plus tan theta plus constant of integration, say c1. Okay, remember integral of sec theta is log of sec theta plus tan theta plus constant of integration c1, or if you take c, or if you take k. So that is log of sec theta using trigonometric identity. We write root of 1 plus tan square theta, ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore sec theta is equal to root 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta as it is plus c1, that is log of mod root 1 plus tan theta. Tan theta value x by a, tan square theta is x square by a square plus tan theta value x by a plus constant of integration c1, that is log of mod root of LCM is here a square, that is a square plus x square divided by a square plus x by a plus c1, right? Now again reduce it, that is equal to log of mod split up the root, that is root of a square plus x square or x square plus a square divided by square root of a square is a plus x by a plus c1, right? That is log of mod, take the LCM of these two is a, in the numerator x plus root of x square plus a square or a square plus x square, both are same, plus c1, right? That is equal to, here in the numerator x plus root of x square plus a square, call it as m. In the denominator a is n ankolli, it is in the form log m by n. Log m by n, laws of logarithm, log m minus log n is the formula, that is log m value x plus root of x square plus a square minus log n value a plus c1, that is equal to log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square. A it is constant, a is a number, that is constant. A constant is there, log constant is also constant. C1 is constant. Idu constant, idu constant. Eradu constant is difference toward again barutte nimage. Again this constant, call it as C. Where capital C is equal to C1 minus log A, that is constant. Constant is a number. If 5 is constant, 2 is constant, 5 minus 2, another number, just 1 to 3, that is also constant. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದರಾಗಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? C, where C is equal to C1 minus log A, which is constant. It is answer. Therefore remember, hence integral of 1 divided by under root of x square plus a square with respect to x is equal to log of mod x plus root x square plus a square plus constant of integration C. Most important, fifth result. Now for example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by root of x square plus 4, that is equal to 1 divided by root of x square plus 4 is same as 2 square. Now it is in the form dx by root x square plus a square. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ರೂಟ್ ನೋಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಟ 1/8 tan inverse of x by a ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square value, a value 2 square 4 plus constant of integration C. Another example, evaluate integral of 1 divided by under root of 4x square plus 9. Identify, is it in standard form? No, because coefficient of x square is more than 1. So what can you do? Take 4 common, root of 4 common tagidre x square plus 9 by 4, correct? Now that is square root of 4 is 2, 1 by 2 into dx by root of x square plus 9 by 4 is same as 3 by 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Clearly it is in the form result number 5. Its integral value is log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square, a value 3 by 2 square is 9 by 4 plus constant of integration C. This is result number 5. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರೂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇರೆ ಆಯ್ತದು. ಓಕೆ, result number 6. Prove that integral of 1 by root of x square minus a square, same term, sign changes. 1 by root x square minus a square ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 by root a square minus x square ಇದ್ದಾಗ sin inverse of x by a plus c ಇದೆ. Whereas 1 by root x square minus a square with respect to x is equal to log of mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square minus a square ಇದೆ, by using trigonometric ratios, by taking x is equal to a sec theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, sin theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ satisfied ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, cos theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, tan theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, cot theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, sec theta. Now divide by a, sec theta is equal to x by a, or theta is equal to sec inverse of x by a. Then differentiate both sides with respect to theta. Derivative of x with respect to theta, dx by d theta is equal to a constant. Derivative of sec theta, you know the formula, sec theta into tan theta. Cross multiply, dx is equal to a sec theta into tan theta d theta, right? Therefore given expression, integral of 1 by under root of x square minus a square with respect to x is equal to dx value a sec theta tan theta divided by under root of x square, x value a sec theta, x square is a square sec square theta minus a square with respect to theta, right? That is integral of a sec theta into tan theta divided by root of, take a square common, we get secant square theta minus 1 with respect to theta. That is integral of a sec theta into tan theta divided by root of a square. You know that sec square theta minus 1 trigonometric identity, tan square theta. Is it a formula? Okay. Now that is equal to integral of a sec theta into tan theta divided by square root of a square is a, square root of tan square theta is tan theta d theta. A cancel, tan theta cancel. A is equal to integral of sec theta. You know the formula. Integral of sec theta is log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c1. Log of sec theta using trigonometric identity, we write root 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta plus c1. That is log of root 1 plus tan theta value. Sec theta with interchange. Now here log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c1. Now sec theta write as it is. Simplify tan theta. Log of sec theta tan theta using trigonometric identity, root of sec square theta minus 1, correct? Plus c1. That is sec theta value x by a, correct? Plus root of sec square theta x square by a square minus 1 plus c1. That is log of x by a plus, take the LCM, root of x square minus a square divided by a square plus c1. That is log of root x square minus a square divided by square root of a square is a plus x upon a plus c1. Now take the LCM. LCM is a, log of x plus root of x square minus a square divided by a plus c1. Now apply laws of logarithm. Log m upon log n is equal to log m value x plus root x square minus a square minus log a plus c1. That is log of x plus root of x square minus a square. c1 is constant, log a is constant. Difference of those two constant become another constant, say c, where c is equal to c1 minus log a, that is constant. Therefore integral of 1 by root x square minus a square with respect to x is equal to log of mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration c. Now example same type. Give example ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, plus is minus ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. Integral of dx by root x square minus 4, that is x square minus 2 square. It is in the form result number 6, log of x plus root x square minus a square 4 plus. Whereas integral of dx by root 4x square minus 9, coefficient of x square is 1, but here 4, take 4 common, dx by 4 into bracket x square minus 9 by 4, but square root of 4 is 2, dx by x square minus 9 by 4 is same as 3 by 2 to the power of 2, that is 1 by 2. By using result number 6, its value is log of x plus root of x square minus a square. A square value 9 by 4 plus constant of integration c. Okay, so remember these 6 important results along with proof. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮತ್ತು 3 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ 3 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯ ಇವು 6 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವನ್ನ 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 6 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ.